Yeah, this place is absolutely hammered. There used to be mostly dirt over this, and it was high speed. I mean, you could come through here fourth, fifth gear. That's not happening today. All this caliche, hard rock's all eaten out. Used to be able to come off of that. That used to be an easier transition. Tore up. This is where a lot of the talented, or I should say non-talented hacks come through here on side-by-sides and their quads. And this used to be a really nice high-speed sand trail. Now it's all washboarded out. It's really difficult to go fast through this. It's just really hammers you. Too bad. Used to be a nice trail.